In this lesson, we're going to talk about importing your videos. There are several ways to import videos in Premiere Pro. One, you can go to File, Import, and select the video you would like to import, and then click Import, and then you have the video here on the project panel. Or you can open up a window on your system and then you click and drag the video into Premiere just like this. Before you import any file, before you import any video into Premiere Pro, you have to create your bins or folders first in your project panel. So let's go ahead and start creating our folders first. We have to create our folders with the right naming convention, and this is what we are going to do. You click on this bin icon here, this bin sign here that says new bin, and then you press 01. This is the right naming convention. We'll say sequence, then you click 02 video, oh, I can spell, 03 audio, and then 04 resources. I like to add this resources folder, so oh my, forgive my spelling, resources. All right, so now we have our folders created, our bins created with the right naming convention. So you see I have like a number attached in front just so they are placed sequentially. Please always create your folders like this. It's going to make the work very easy. This is what I do for all my projects, but I don't create every time I edit. I don't create a folder. I don't go on to do all of these things because I'm already working with a template, and we're going to touch on that in the coming lessons. So the first thing we're going to do is to import our videos with one of the styles that we just saw before, and one of the way that I do that is to drag the videos into Premiere. So I'll highlight everything and drag them into Premiere. The link to these videos, the resources have been made available for you, so check that out and download them and follow along with the tutorial. So I've imported the videos into Premiere Pro. You can double click on the videos to see what it looks like on the source monitor. This is where you can play back and choose the frames you want to use, choose the places, select the places you want to use. So we are going to touch on that soon. These are the videos that we have.